Worker involvement. Please note that this question is not applicable to sole operators. Worker involvement is not just about attending meetings. Involvement should show a two-way flow of information and communication. Please provide the following evidence. 2 examples from within the last 12 months that show how workers have been involved in workplace health and safety. This should clearly show who they were. Examples could include, but are not limited to, health and safety representative processes, involvement in the assessment of risk, involvement in completing investigations, involvement in completing workplace or equipment inspections, involvement in the review of hazard control, involvement in the review of emergency drills, involvement in the review of health and safety systems, or specific issues raised by workers in meetings. Please note that the following are not accepted examples: inductions, evidence of workers being communicated to, such as one-way emails, posters, notice boards, or other examples of one-way flow of information. Following are a couple of examples that show how you can evidence worker involvement. This example is a toolbox meeting or some sort of meeting where it is clear that workers have raised issues and have been involved in discussion. In this example, you will note that Phil has raised the fact there is no sunscreen in his van, and that Roger has noted that the task analysis for EWP work is out of date. As a result, Parry has taken on to action both of those things that have been raised by those workers. So that is a really good way that you can show involvement in a meeting scenario. The second example shows that the team of Roger, Parry, Gail and Phil have all been involved in reviewing the hazard register for the company. They did that on the 28th of the 11th, 25, and have all signed off to say that they were actually involved in that process.